Let's try to unpack a really tough topic: youth crime and our justice system.
You see the headlines all the time, right? They paint this really simple, kind of scary picture.
Think back to the 2011 UK riots. The story was this was chaos, all caused by kids.
But, is that really the whole story? To get past the headlines, we need a better tool. And that tool is called deconstruction. It's a way of challenging what we think we know.
It's a pretty straightforward process. You break down the ideas, find the contradictions, and then rethink it all.
Okay, so let's put this tool to work. First up, what do we even mean by punishment?
Well, the approach has swung back and forth like a pendulum. On one side, you had these harsh, short, sharp shock regimes. And on the other, a welfare model that, believe it or not, even had kids on yachts.
Now get this, that whole tough on crime approach, it had a 0% success rate. 0.
So if punishment is tricky, what about justice itself? Turns out it's not so simple.
When you deconstruct it, you find there are 4 competing ideas of what justice should even do.
The power model asks a crucial question. Who gets labeled a criminal, and why? A great example is drill music. Is it inciting violence, like the police say, or is it just art? This process also shows us really clearly who actually ends up getting caught in the system.
The data is pretty stark. It links offending directly to things like poverty and a tough home life.
So it's no surprise that people have totally different ideas on how to solve the problem.
Just look at stop and search. Conservative voters are way more likely to support increasing it than Labor voters.
And this really matters because those policies disproportionately affect the Black community. The impact is real. So, while concern over youth crime is high, other places show us there might be another way.
Take Norway. They focus way more on humane treatment and rehabilitation, and it seems to be working.
So it all comes down to this. If just punishing kids doesn't work, then what does?